Welcome to BYD Year and Carnival right here at BYD Plaza Arcadia. So right now is ongoing and we can get exclusive savings and more prizes at BYD Sea Lion 7, BYD Zero, BYD Atto 3 Ultra, BYD Atto 2, BYD N6, as well as BYD Seal 6. So now let's have a look at the BYD Sea Lion 7. Two different variants. So we have the premium variant and the performance variant. So for the premium variant, it is a two-wheel drive, and for the performance, it is a four-wheel drive. Also, the difference is that it comes with dual motor for the performance variant. So it delivers an impressive 567 km range. So powered by the BYD Ultra Plate battery, which ensures you have a longer lasting battery. Were you lucky?
Yeah, I'm always lucky.
That's good. I love your confidence. So now take one of the box right here, then we will see which part can you get.
What is it?
What do you
Hair
think?
dryer.
Wow, Xiaomi hair dryer, congrats.
Okay lah, not bad lah. Go ahead, right?